Hello, I just would like to share with you my new screen that I just purchased. This is the upgraded model because my other one I gave it to my wife. The reason I bought this one, it has got different features and which I'm gonna talk about in a second. But first, installation, because once it's installed there, as you can see, it is actually quite sturdy, it's solid, and I have been using the previous one based on the same kind of installation, and it's really good. This one took me about 30 seconds to connect to my mobile phone, and this connects to my car, and as you can see I can control the volume from here. You can see I can just show you it's playing now through my speakers,
to her chest again.
And I'm gonna just
yes, I know about your sister,
the
Rachel says softly.
So and I
and
can
your mom.
lower the volume.
I never talk to anyone without Googling
and I can
them
move
first.
back,
It's the first law of Chapter 23.
and I can move it forward.
Chapter 24.
As you can see, it's actually controlled from there. The screen quality is crisp because when you're driving in the sun, it's really good quality screen. Really helps when you're driving, so you don't have to worry. When I get messages, because I connected it to WhatsApp and I connected it to I show you the application that's connected to this. You can see when I get my messages, it reads them to me and it asks me if I want to answer back on a voice message. Do all of that without having to touch anything, you know, just say yes or no, and you can keep driving. The one thing again I just would like to share with you is the dimming. When you go to the settings, you have got this screen. As you can see, it can connect to either iPhone or whatever you have. You go to settings, you have got the auto dimming. The thing I like is about it, you can actually set that the dimming starts and finish, and you can adjust that to what you want. With the 25% it is at the moment. I think because when I was driving with the previous one, at night, especially at night, I've got this bright screen into my face, and it's not really ideal. But now that I can drive at night and can still navigate, I can still do all the features, but without having the lights into my face. As you can see, it has other features, and you can, if I can go back to my car display, you can see that now I've got my book still there. I've got if I just click on play again, it starts playing.
Ridgemont Academy EDU.
Just
subject.
So let's pause that at the moment. If I want to split the screen, I can just click on this one here to split the screen. There you go, split the screen. By the way, this map here can actually move to the right or to the left from the book, whatever, so depending where, if you left-hand drive or right-hand drive, which is practical. This screen also comes with the camera, the rear camera. Have tested it just in here, but I have not installed this because my car come with cameras already. It has got cameras and sensors, and I have got a rear camera, so I didn't want to install this. It's actually quite good. If you can just compare the car screen, which is this one here, and the screen there, you can see that actually the image is crisp, and it's really nice driving. It gives you all the information you need while you're driving: cameras, potholes, traffic jams, which makes life a lot easier for you if you use the car quite a lot. Hope this helps, and you can let me know if there's anything else you want me to talk about. Thank you.